Comparison between this one bullet and then the dome. This is all 3K, same 3K. That is a 5 megapixel Hikvision camera, and this is the comparison. I'll compare two comparison, dome and then the bullet. See, same distance. Then as you can see, the structure only, but on the monitor as you can see the difference. There is no such thing as difference. Slightly difference about wide. This is the bullet, the dome, and then the bullet. Okay, this is the bullet, this the dome. See, slightly wide. You need to interchange. Okay, observe first the video. Dome at bullet and then the dome. Okay, I will change position like this, like that. Ito. Check. Okay. Almost the same. This is the dome, then this is the bullet. Almost the same. I will elevate this one. Okay. Almost the same. Okay, this is the dome and then this is the bullet. Okay, that is the comparison between two between these two cameras.